Hello and welcome to all of you in Veer Entertainment and the series of चलो भारत को जाने। इस एपिसोड में हम भारत के राष्ट्र चिन्ह के बारे में कुछ जानेंगे। तो चलिए मेरे साथ और जाने नेशनल एम्बलम की बात और कुछ इतिहास।
हमारा राष्ट्र चिन्ह देश की अस्मिता और संप्रभुता की पहचान है। राष्ट्र चिन्ह को महान सम्राट अशोक ने सारनाथ में मौजूद विश्व प्रसिद्ध स्तंभ से लिया गया है। आधार में धर्म चक्र, चौकड़ी भरता घोड़ा और बलशाली सांड, इनसे मिलकर बना है भारतीय गणराज्य का राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह। यह चिन्ह प्रतीक है देश की अस्मिता का, संप्रभुता का, देश की आन बान शान का। चारों ओर से गर्जना करते शेर प्रतीक है हमारी शक्ति, हिम्मत, गर्व और विश्वास का। यह प्रतीक है देश की सुरक्षा का। चौकड़ी भरता घोड़ा संघर्षों के बीच हमारी रफ्तार को बयां करता है। बलशाली सांड प्रतीक है देश की ताकत का। धर्म चक्र प्रतीक है न्याय का, सम्मान का, अधिकारों का। सत्यमेव जयते उद्घोषक है सच्चाई का, ईमानदारी का और हमारी सांझी विरासत का। यह सबक है सत्य की राह में खड़े रहने का। 26 जनवरी 1950 को इसे भारतीय गणराज्य के राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह के रूप में अंगीकार किया गया था, जो हर देशवासी के सीने को गर्व से भर देता है। इसकी धमक में सेना का शौर्य है, इसकी खनक में उफान भरती हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था है। अशोक चिन्ह दुनिया के बीच भारत की अमिट पहचान है।
The state emblem of India is the national emblem of Republic of India. It is an adaptation from the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka, which is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. In the original Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka, there are 4 lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a frieze carrying sculptures in high relief of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull and a lion separated by intervening wheel over a bell-shaped lotus, and it carved out of a single block of polished sandstone. The capital is crowned by the wheel of the law, which is known as Dharma Chakra. The bell-shaped lotus has been omitted in national emblem, which is presented in Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka. 4 animals are shown in the national emblem of India, representing 4 directions as well as 4 important events of Buddha's life. An elephant represents east direction and it depicts the dream of Queen Maya, where a white elephant enters her womb. A bull represents south direction and it depicts the zodiac sign of Tarush, the month in which Buddha was born. A galloping horse is the symbol of west direction and it represents the horse Kantaka, which Buddha is said to have used for living his princely life. A lion represents north direction and it shows the attainment of enlightenment. The animals seems to follow each other, turning the wheel of existence till eternity. They are each separated by chakra with 24 wheels. In the official emblem, the bull and horse are visible and the lion and elephant remains in the hindsight. The chakra with 24 spokes is the Dharma wheel inspired by Buddhist philosophy. 12 of these spokes represent the 12 links of dependent origination and another 12 represents the reversing of dependence for the ultimate enlightenment and liberation. The phrase Satyameva Jayate written below the abacus is taken from Manduka Upanishad. It is only a part of one complete sloka of this text. It means truth alone trumps. If we see the lion capital, the capital is crowned by the wheel of law, which is Dharma Chakra. The 4 lions symbolize Buddha spreading Dharma in all directions. It was built in the commemoration of the first sermon by Buddha known as Dharma Chakra Pravartana. The state emblem of India is the official seal of the Government of India. There are 2 major legal provisions which describes the use of national emblem. First one is the State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 and second the State Emblem of India Regulation of Use Rules 2007. So according to these rules, the national emblem of India can be used as per provision of the State Emblem of India Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005, and any unauthorized use is punishable under law. It can be used on the letterhead of the central government, state government and other government agencies. It is also present on the currency of India and passport of India. The Ashok Chakra and the national flag is taken from the national emblem. It is used in buildings like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Supreme Court, High Court, Central Secretariat, State Legislature and some other government buildings. The national emblem is one of the sole representation of nature of our nation. Satyame Vajayate Nandritam Satyena Pantha Vidito Devyana Yena Kramanta Yashyo Yapta Kama Yatra Tatta Satyasya Paramam Nidhanam. अंततः सत्य की ही जय होती है, ना कि असत्य की।
जय हिंद।